No show, no club was your motto.
Hey YouTube, so it's me, Summer here.
It's your girl, me.
And Sam.
In the back. So we on our way to go try Granite City Brewery. They brunch. They got unlimited breakfast. So we finna go up in this motherfucker and
I can't see shit.
see what's we finna go.
Nope.
So we gonna give this a little rating. 1 to 10, whatnot.
And we're gonna get back to you guys after
when we're there. So we
unlimited
just made it
drinks,
here, and we finna go attack this shit and see what it's giving. It's giving very fancy.
Really show them for some.
Okay, so
this is what we got, y'all.
this type of shit,
Chicken, bacon, French toast. I don't want to tell this.
just all the good yams. I rated a 9, maybe a 2. I don't know, yeah. It's pretty good though, but so it's giving, it got like the, the dips and stuff. So, sister, how's your day?
My day is good. Gonna go home and smoke a couple blunts now. The gag is, okay, I'm telling my boyfriend, my sister, and my son, I was just picking up Bill. But we came outside.
I had to eat.
So the motherfuckers gonna do it around.
Do it like it's no beat there. I choose not to respond.
I spy white boy with tattoos. There you go. That piece of bacon and sausage.
That's a Bloody Mary, bitch. Stand between those. I'm getting so fucking stuffed, like.
I'm nosy as well.
I'm
When
finna.
I'm eating, I be looking around at everybody.
Me too. I look at Biggie over there eating the burger.
My third eye open.
Yeah, she wanted to eat you and shit.
Yeah.
Then we're done in 9 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to end this because we gotta speed eat for 9 minutes. You gonna sit closer, baby?
Oh my god, baby. It's been 2 minutes since we stopped the camera and looked at all our plates.
Damn, it's only been 2 minutes.
No, that was crazy.
I'm done.
That was crazy. Oh, fuck y'all, I'm so full. I'm gonna have to go through it, Joe.
Yeah, me too, cause but I have to stop using the fork.
Because I'm gonna keep saying how full I am when I'm around you.
You're gonna be like lounged out slump.
Say, Mom, I'm so full.
They're gonna get mad.
Tell him we took you to McDonald's.
I love it. I'm pretty sure Barbara watched my story. Oh, my bad.
Oh, the stories.
You know everybody here, bro.
Bro, I hope they got Apple Pay. I'm dead ass from this on. Oh my god. I'm in tears, y'all, cause like this shit bomb kinda.
Kinda.
A little bit.
I don't want no more.
But you gotta finish your plate, that's rude. Our ancestors.
Did you like the other new potatoes?
No.
With the ham in them?
Like this?
With the potatoes
Can
and
we eat
stuff?
the potatoes?
Yeah.
I'm too full. If I keep getting more, I bet you will.
Check this. What?
Give the vape.
Shit, I need to stretch or something.
I'm buttering your pants.
Have the vape.
You wanna go outside?
Yeah.
Can you ask me for the check?
Excuse me. Can we get the check?
Sure, are we doing it together or separate today?
Together.
Together?
You guys have Apple Pay?
I do.
Okay, so we just got full as fuck, ate there at that place. My rating would be, it was pretty good. How y'all feeling about it?
I'm gonna give them an 8. They were decent. They were really good. Their food was really great.
How about you, baby? A 9? A 9?
You just rated it pretty good. You didn't even give it a number with your smart ass.
Well, my rate is pretty good. But,
Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called The Crazy House. Well, actually, I gotta get my shit on the thing. I think it's J_.
well, it's gonna be in the
Mimi.
subscriptions down below. So y'all follow her. Y'all subscribe to me for more. Tune in. And we'll be back.